From the beginning, the Bauman Auto Group was founded on big city selection, small town pricing, and unbeatable customer service. It's how we've done business since 1956. That's why at Bauman, when you shop local, you'll save big during Truck Month at the Bauman Auto Group with big trucks and even bigger discounts. That's huge savings on every truck in our inventory, like new F-150s, Silverados, Rams, Sierras, and more. Truck Month is back at the Bauman Auto Group.
Bauman, whoopie